2007 to 2013 Cadillac Escalade from GM Trucks. We're replacing the coolant reservoir. First, you're going to want to remove your air filter housing right there. Get that out the way. Got a hose clamp here and a hose clamp there, 10 millimeter here, and a 10 millimeter on the back side right there. Boom. Remove those. Your reservoir will lift up and out. I'm gonna keep the cap on it, and once I remove it, tilt it back, and then unclamp my hoses. That way I can keep the coolant in the reservoir. There's a small crack at the bottom, so I'm gonna lose some, but I'm just gonna transfer it from this reservoir into my coolant jug, and then into the new reservoir. But yeah, get you an extension, 10 millimeter, extension, 10 millimeter. Get to it. One is out. It's leaking from this bottom part down here. Very small crack in it. Can you move? New one is in. Air box is on. I'm gonna top it off. Should be good to go. Clamp here. Pull this out. Two 10 millimeters back here. One right here, one right there. Clamp, clamp. Boom, boom.